The men had been acquitted of attempted murder until the Director of Public Prosecution appealed at the High Court for a retrial in 2018. The two convicts, who were neighbors, attempted to murder Ssembatya, who was 6 at that time and living with his grandparents. They are now deceased.
Because this enabled him to testify in court against the convicts, his testimony was very vital for the successful determination of this case. We would have charged the convicts under the Prevention of Trafficking in Persons Act, but this case was committed 2 days before that act was passed as law, and so we couldn't charge under that act, unfortunately.
Court evidence showed that Ssembatya, who is now 20 years, sustained severe body injuries, including losing part of his reproductive system. Prosecution alleged that the men had tried to sacrifice the child in Kayunga district. Chief Magistrate Sarah Tushime Basheja Barungi sentenced the two to 40 years in prison each, even as they pleaded for mercy.
I hereby sentence each of the accused person to 40 years in prison. These 40 years, I will subtract the period spent on remand.
The ruling served as an answer to the wait for justice, especially for the young man who survived death.
Yani nganze chenayogera chenyini chenalaba chenayogera tebbo ne basogeza ko kutataganya ensonga nesenga basalawo bakkiriza mangu ekyo ngandibadde nyimirira ne mbasonyiwa.
We appreciate the judgment delivered by the court because it signifies justice for the victim.
Obudde bubadde buwanvu, obweraliikirivu bubadde buwanvu, naye munda munze ntukudde nti amazima gamaze ne galabika.
The convicts, who have been on remand for over 5 years, will serve 34 years each.